Hello and welcome to Discover Languages. In this video, we will learn about the Arabic language. We will learn about the modern standard Arabic, which is the language used in books and newspapers. Modern Standard Arabic was developed in the Arab world in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It is generally not spoken as a mother tongue. It is taught in formal education. It differs from the speech used in everyday life. It is different from classical Arabic. So, where is Arabic spoken? It is the official language in 27 countries around the world. Examples of these countries are Algeria, Egypt, Qatar, United Arab Emirates. Arabic is also the official language of the Arab League. It is mostly spoken in the Middle East and North Africa. It is the liturgical language of the religion of Islam. It is the fifth most spoken language in the world. It has 310 million native speakers and 270 million second language speakers. Arabic has many different dialects. It is primarily written in Arabic alphabet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.